Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my previous video, I started discussion on data cleaning using Power BI. As you know, Power Query Editor is a very powerful ETL tool, we can say, okay, using which we can clean the data, take the desired one, just change the data according to our requirement, and we can visualize, right? Now, in this video, I am going to discuss some more concept related to cleaning the text data, okay? So here I am having one small data having my first row as name and number and these three rows containing the data. Okay, so first name and last name given, but last name is given inside parenthesis. Okay, and this is the number, right? So we'll be artificially introducing some noise in the data, okay, so that the data will look messy, and we'll try to clear that. Okay, so first thing what do we want? Suppose I am introducing 4 space here, okay, here also I am introducing 4 space, here also I am introducing 4 space. In the beginning part I am introducing 1 space, here I am introducing 2 space, here I am introducing 3 space, okay, right? And then suppose I am pressing Alt Enter and making the second, the Soham Ganguly, as 2-line string. Okay, now the data is quite messy and let us try to clear this. Okay, so yes, Control S, we are saving this, we are going to Power BI, import data from Excel, we are importing, click on this and sheet transform data. We cannot directly load, first we have to clean. Power Query Editor opens. Now our data cleaning starts. First thing, see, header is coming under first row, so we have to make first row header. Use first row as header. First row became header. Remove the unnecessary spaces appearing in the beginning of the string. So we'll be going to transform and here format trim. So see, all the spaces present in first and last part gone. Okay, right? Then what we can do, see here, this is 2-line string, so we have to clean this. So this particular thing, to make this single line, you have to go to format and then clean. Okay, so it will clean this. Now see, everything right apart from the fact that first bracket, second bracket present. We'll select this and maybe one element we can select, replace with, replace values. Okay, so value to find, suppose parenthesis, replace with nothing. So see, first opening parenthesis gone. Now closing parenthesis also remove the same way. Here values to find, closing parenthesis, click on OK. Closing parenthesis gone. Now in between first name and last name, 4 empty spaces. Okay, only spaces present. Now 4 space we want to replace by 1 space. Okay, click on one element, replace values. Okay, only 1 space I am clicking and click on OK. And see, something happened. Let me just delete, undo the previous step. Here replace value, sorry, values to find is 4 space, 1 2 3 4. 4 space should be replaced by 1 space. Okay, click on OK. Yes, and see, now the data is completely clean. So many things we have done actually in the pre-processing stage, in the data cleaning stage. We have removed the parentheses, we have removed the 4 spaces present in between each first name and last name, right? We have removed the spaces, unnecessary spaces present in the beginning of the string, right? There are some there are some string present in some cell which is having multiple rows. Okay, like Soham Ganguly. Soham was in the first part, Ganguly was in the second row, right? Like that, the cell was taking the space. So we have went to format and we have cleaned that. Okay, so I hope the trim and clean concept is clear to you. If you just click on lowercase, see here, this time S capital in Sotodru word, M capital in Mukherjee word, like how in English generally we do that. For each word beginning word is capital, I am making lowercase. See, all became lowercase. Okay, I can use uppercase. See, all became uppercase. Okay, I am making capitalize each word. When I am doing this, I am getting back my original format. That is, first letter is capital, rest all are small in a single word, right? So this particular format have a clear idea. Okay, right? So we have learned some concept related to text data processing, and I'll be continuing my discussion in my upcoming session, where I'll be discussing something more which will be helpful in real-time data cleaning and real-time reporting. Okay, thank you.